Ever questioned how some maintain a lavish lifestyle yet amass fortune? This question has perhaps been the impetus that has led to countless hours spent in contemplation. How can one reconcile the visible opulence, the grandeur, the extravagance with an ever-growing bank balance, the cars, the homes, the vacations to exotic locations? They all add up, don't they? Yet somehow the numbers continue to rise. It's a conundrum, a puzzle, an enigma. That's where we come in. With our team of financial experts, investigative journalists, and inquisitive minds, we have taken on the challenge of demystifying this paradox. We delve deep into the world of the wealthy, peeling back the layers of their intricate financial maneuvers and uncovering the secrets that allow them to live a life of luxury while their wealth accrues. This is not a journey for the faint-hearted, but for those who are eager to understand the workings of the financial world of investments, savings, and wealth management. We invite you to join us to learn, to question, and to discover. This channel demystifies that enigma. First and foremost, by subscribing to this channel, you gain access to a wealth of financial learning. This channel serves as a platform that simplifies the complexities of the financial world for its dedicated viewers, providing a plethora of content that is tailored to suit the needs of both novice and seasoned investors. Our aim is to dismantle the intimidating walls of the financial world and introduce you to a new perspective on wealth accumulation. We believe in making financial education accessible and understandable for all. This is done through valuable content that goes beyond just simple tips and tricks. We delve deep into the different forms of investments and avenues for wealth building. We provide a comprehensive learning experience that is designed to empower you with the knowledge, confidence, and the know-how to navigate the financial landscape. The content is crafted to empower you with the knowledge necessary to make well-informed financial decisions. Subscribers garner exclusive access to precious insights from industry leaders. This unique opportunity is only available to you, our esteemed subscribers, and it opens the door to a rich repository of knowledge and wisdom. This access is not just to ordinary insights, it's a chance to delve into the deep, rich wisdom, practices, and tactics of those who have paved their way to success. These are the insights from professionals who have walked the tough path, who have made their dreams come true through sheer hard work, grit, determination, and never-ending learning. This is not just any access. It's an insider's view, a peek into the minds of accomplished individuals who have turned their dreams into reality. They share their experiences, their trials, their successes, and their failures, offering an enriching learning experience. This is your golden opportunity to learn straight from those who have already realized their dreams. This channel is not just about crunching numbers. It's a platform that goes beyond the realm of simply accumulating wealth. It operates on the belief that wealth creation isn't merely an endeavor of financial gain, but rather a voyage of self-discovery and growth. The focus here is on not just the monetary aspects of wealth, but also the rich experiences and the invaluable knowledge acquired along the way. This journey is guided by a philosophy that the pursuit of wealth should not come at the expense of the finer things in life. In fact, we believe that it is the desire for these luxuries, the aspiration for a better lifestyle, that often fuels the drive to amass wealth. We're here to demonstrate that the quest for wealth can be an enjoyable process, a process where you can savor the luxuries that you yearn for, even as you work towards increasing your wealth. The aim is to strike a balance, to ensure that the pursuit of wealth doesn't overshadow the importance of enjoying life's little pleasures. Thus, this channel is not just about the destination, but indeed about the journey itself. It is a journey to discover secrets of growing your wealth while relishing the luxuries you aspire for. Subscribing not only keeps you one step ahead of the market, but it's also your key to unlocking a world of financial possibilities. This subscription provides you access to information that's not freely available. It allows you to stay ahead by offering the latest changes in your portfolio and unveiling new market trends before they hit the mainstream. With this, you'll gain the expertise to make insightful decisions and stay ahead of the financial curve. The data we provide is unique and invaluable. This subscription is more than just information, it's a tool for your financial journey. We ensure that you're well equipped for the journey toward success. Welcome, dear viewers. This channel provides you with financial acumen, an invaluable virtual resource that enhances your understanding of the world of finance. Consider this as a universally accessible learning platform, a unique and friendly environment dedicated to fostering your financial literacy. Here, we unravel the complexities of the financial world, breaking them down into understandable and actionable concepts. This is a haven for like-minded individuals, an inclusive community where we embrace diversity and learn from each other's experiences. Here, you're free to share ideas, ask questions, and network with those on the same financial journey. We encourage collaboration, fueling the spirit of knowledge sharing that empowers everyone to make informed financial decisions. This space is not just an information exchange, but a launchpad for your financial success. By engaging in constructive discussions, sharing insights, and learning from experts, you're paving the way towards your own monetary prosperity. This space leads to monetary prosperity. For those who admire the grandeur of life, we present upscale living strategies tailored to suit your tastes. Our curated selection encompasses everything you could imagine, from expert travel tips designed for the discerning globetrotter, to exclusive procurement advice for those seeking luxury in every aspect of their lives. Take pleasure in the opulence of our offerings, designed to captivate your senses while satisfying your desire for the finer things in life. Unravel the secrets of a lifestyle brimming with luxury, where every moment is a celebration of splendor. Yet, it doesn't end there. Learn the art of enjoying this extravagant life while still successfully maintaining your fiscal objectives. Discover how to balance indulgence with fiscal responsibility, thereby creating an elegant lifestyle that's sustainable. As a gesture of gratitude, the channel orchestrates unique giveaways and opportunities just for subscribers. In this digital age where anyone can access anything online, what makes this channel different is the personalized experience it offers. Each subscriber is not just seen as a number but as an integral part of the community. This is why we go the extra mile to curate exclusive content tailored specifically to our subscribers' interests. We believe that anyone who takes the time to subscribe to our channel deserves a little something extra. Not just in the form of on-screen content, but tangible rewards. We conduct regular giveaways, contests, and quizzes where you stand a chance to win hand-picked goodies. From the latest gadgets to limited edition merchandise, everything is up for grabs. But what's more exciting is the chance to gain insider knowledge. This could include behind-the-scenes footage, interviews with celebrities, or even tips and tricks that can help you in everyday life. Participating in these opportunities isn't just about winning prizes, it's about feeling a part of the content being created. It's about experiencing something more than just passive viewing. The content is designed not just to entertain but also to educate and inspire. Here, special prizes and insider knowledge are within your reach. Become a part of our community to enjoy the benefits. Subscribing also implies delving into a wealth of content. And by wealth we mean a veritable treasure trove of insights, opinions, how-tos, and much more. Our content is not just about what meets the eye, but it's a deep dive into a vast ocean of knowledge. It provides a rare opportunity to explore an array of topics that are chosen carefully for the discerning reader. Our content spans a wide spectrum, incorporating everything from lifestyle tips to investment strategies. Lifestyle tips that offer advice on everything from wellness, beauty, fitness, nutrition to home decor and travel. On the other hand, our investment strategies are designed to guide you through the complexities of the financial world, offering insights on stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate investments, and more. These are not mere assemblages of information, but they are well-researched, meticulously curated pieces offering actionable insights. The topics we cover are chosen with great care, ensuring they are relevant, timely, and significant. These topics, ranging from the everyday essential to the highly specialized, are quintessential for securing financial prosperity. In essence, when you subscribe, you're not just getting access to a simple feed of information. Instead, you are opening a door to a world of knowledge, insights, and opportunities. A world that is designed to guide you on your journey towards financial stability and prosperity. On a final note, learn from people who turned their monetary dreams into reality. These people, once like you and me, started from scratch. They had their share of aspirations, dreams, and goals. Some dreamed of financial security, others of grandeur and luxury. But they all had one common theme, a desire for financial success. These people didn't just dream, they took action. They worked hard, sacrificed personal comforts, and even risked failure. They learned to navigate the tumultuous seas of financial markets, to ride the unpredictable waves of economic trends. They became students of finance, investing their time in understanding the complexities of currencies, stocks, bonds, and real estate. They sought guidance from successful mentors, read financial books, attended seminars, and constantly educated themselves. They learned the art of managing money, of making it work for them. They weren't afraid of mistakes, for they saw these as opportunities for growth. They understood that success wasn't overnight but a result of persistent efforts. From these individuals we can gain immense wisdom. They show us that monetary success is achievable, that dreaming is just the first step. They encourage us to step out of our comfort zones, to take risks, to believe in ourselves. They remind us that financial prosperity isn't just about having money, it's about creating a sustainable future. Use their wisdom on your journey towards financial prosperity. At this point, you're likely beginning to understand the potency of financial education and its transformative impact on your life. It's a pivotal skill often missed in institutional education. This knowledge empowers you to craft informed financial decisions, navigate investment complexities and manage budgets effectively. It differentiates between prudent investments and the key to financial emancipation, setting the foundation for a prosperous future. Beyond understanding money, it's about personal growth in an ever-changing financial world. Sharing knowledge, experience, insights, and wisdom, fostering curiosity and exploration. It's about creating waves of change through financial literacy. So, after exploring the ripple effect of financial prosperity, we'll delve into the integral aspect of wealth creation, community's influence. It's a shared ambition, a collective journey. Subscribing to our channel introduces you to a financial wizards community, all chasing the same dream: financial autonomy and luxury. Imagine the exchange of ideas, learning from shared experiences. This community serves as your support system, feedback platform, and reservoir of motivation. It's an opportunity to expand and thrive together. Transition to visuals, showcasing community, embodying the strength of shared aspirations and collective endeavor. Moving on from the power of community and building wealth, we shift our focus towards the wealth mindset. A significant factor in financial progress, it is the mental foundation necessary for affluence. This mindset is a package of positivity, distinct financial goals, and unwavering faith in your ability to achieve them. It's appreciating wealth as more than material gain. It's about adding value and fostering positivity. Now we'll share efficient strategies to cultivate this mindset, endorsed by successful individuals. Your mindset is the cornerstone of your financial journey, so let's create one now. Transition to visuals of a brain with positive symbols, demonstrating the cultivation of a wealth mindset. So are you ready to access your wealth? Start this journey by clicking the subscribe button now. Imagine unlocking the door to financial prosperity and experiencing a you've only dreamed of. Remember, wealth isn't solely about the accumulation of money. It is about achieving true fulfillment and living life to the fullest in every facet. Money is just one of the vehicles to get you there. Here on our channel, we focus understanding of wealth. We offer invaluable insights, top-notch advice, and powerful strategies to help you reach your financial goals and beyond. We aim to provide you tools to live your best life, in all aspects, not just monetarily. Subscribe now, and together, embark on this transformative journey towards a wealthier life. Let's commence. Appreciate you joining us. It's genuinely heartening to see the progress we've made together. Looking back, it's hard to believe how much we've achieved, the countless challenges we've overcome, the many milestones we've reached. It's a testament to our resilience and our commitment to excellence. The journey ahead of us is still lengthy, but that doesn't intimidate us. In fact, it only fuels our determination to strive forward, with relentless vigor and unwavering dedication. Each step we take, every obstacle we surmount, serves to bolster our confidence and strengthen our resolve. We're not just in it for the conquests. Above all else, we value well-being and vitality. We recognize that true success goes hand in hand with good health. We ensure we take care of ourselves while we push the boundaries of what's possible. Furthermore, we champion magnificence, glory, and splendor. Our ambition isn't only to exist, but to excel, to create a legacy that reverberates with grandeur. We don't settle for mediocrity. We aim to set new standards, to redefine the definition of success. So, let's stay steadfast, while we uphold the luxurious lifestyle. Let's make sure we don't lose sight of what truly matters. Maintain your luxury.